close my eyes and see you, that's a surprise when I need you. Say you tryna get high, that's why that reefer.
Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like REXV2 in the song Reefer off the new album Winner Circle. Now I know it's been a while since this album came out. I made this around the time it came out. I was a little late, and then I just got busy making all of these other videos, trying to get all these videos edited and uploaded, but now we're here. Also, just so you guys know, my Che video is coming soon. I did successfully make a Che preset. There will be one coming soon, so just letting you guys know. I think it'll be this time next week that it comes out, so that video is coming. But yeah, with all that being said, this REXV2 album was low-key one of my favorite underground albums of 2025. So if you guys haven't heard this album, definitely go check it out, and if you have, let me know what your favorite songs are in the comments. This song Reefer is one of my favorites, and then YouTube is fire. There's a whole bunch of fire songs on that album. But yeah, I'm yapping too much. I'm just gonna play the song. This is Reefer by REXV2.
When I close my eyes, don't act so surprised when I need you. Said you tryna get high, let's roll that reefer. Said you tryna get high, let's roll that reefer. Said you tryna get high, let's roll that reefer. Hit me with a mood swings, hit me when you freak, babe. You want me cause I'm cool, babe. So ain't what you read, babe. Take it all off, take it all off. So in love with this girl, might have to raw dog. All my niggas ball dog. Had to put my brothers on they rooms, so I had to crawl dog.
Okay, and now as always, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all of these presets and show you guys what my raw vocals sound like. And I'm almost 100% sure this is gonna sound terrible, so I apologize for your eardrums.
When I close my eyes and see you, that's a surprise when I need ya. Say you tryna get high, let's ride that reefer.
Okay, I think you guys have heard enough of that, and now I'm gonna show you guys what these presets sound like. So this is my REXV2 Winner Circle preset.
When I close my eyes and see you, that's a surprise when I need you. Say you tryna get high, let's ride that reefer. Say you tryna get high, let's ride that reefer. You tryna get high, let's ride that reefer. Hit me with the most swings, hit me when you're free, babe. Want me cause I'm cool, babe. Show me what you read, babe. Take it off, take it off. So in life with this guy, might have to ride dog. All my brothers vibe dog. Had to put my brothers on their rooms, so I had to crawl dog. He just had that Eddie feel. He just had that Eddie feel.
Now, I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys the whole song, but I did do the whole song. If I didn't show you guys the whole song in the edit, I'll probably drop the whole cover on my alt account on SoundCloud if you guys do want to hear that. But if not, whatever. I know most of you guys are just here for the presets. So with that being said, all of these presets will be completely free in my Discord. The only preset here that isn't free is this master preset, which for this song, I did use my Best Waves master preset, which is $10 on my website, BNVLNT.shop. But if you'd rather get this entire FLP with everything you see on your screen, as well as a template ready to record in with all of these presets set up, and my Best Waves master preset, as well as my Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, all of that will be on my website for just $15. So if you want to go cop that and support me in this channel, that'll be linked in the description below. But if you guys just want the free presets, that is completely fine. All you have to do is go to the Discord linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says BNVLNT presets, and then all these REXV2 presets will be down here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of presets in here. So yeah, go get you some free presets and make some good music. But yeah, now that you guys know where to get the presets, all you have to do to use these presets is drag them into your FL, change your mic input to whatever your mic input is, and then just press this record button and press the spacebar. It's that simple. The only thing you do have to set up with this preset specifically is I have this pitch shifter bus. And so what you have to do with the pitch shifter is you have to click on your main, and then you have to click this little arrow down here on the pitch shifter, and you don't have to move this knob at all. It just stays at 100%. But in the pitch shifter preset, what you have to do is you have to right click on the pitch shifter, click create automation clip, which will create this top automation clip. And then I also put a compressor in here so you can automate the gain. So what you do here is you right click here, click create automation clip, which is what this automation clip is right here. And essentially what I did with this automation clip is I just made the preset louder when it pitches my vocals down, just because I noticed the pitch shifter was kind of lowering the volume of it a bit. So I wanted to bring some of that volume back with the compressor. And all you do with the automation clip is you just right click to create a point, move the point up and down, and then you can edit the curve. Or if you don't want a curve and you just want a box, you right click on the point and click hold, And that's literally it. So like, let's say I wanted this line to be pitched down, I'll go like this. You hear how it's a little quieter. What I would do to fix that is go like this and this. And then for this point right here, you're gonna wanna go to where it says type in value and type in 0.5. And then that'll just make sure that this next part is also at 0 gain and you're not making your normal vocals louder or quieter. And then you'll wanna adjust this to however loud you want it to be. So yeah, that's how you use those automation clips. And the only other thing on this preset that I'm going to show you guys before I end this video is the auto tune. Just in case you guys have different auto tunes, this song was in the key of F sharp minor with a detune of about 453. And then I use a retune speed of 0 and a humanize of 39. If you're using this preset on your own music, make sure you change this back to 440 or check if your beats are detuned. If they're detuned, you'll have to change it to whatever that is. And how you can easily find that, if you have auto key, all you have to do, open up auto key, put it on your beat, play the beat, and then it'll tell you right here 452. Now as you can see, it says C sharp minor, which this is in the key of F sharp minor, so sometimes auto key is wrong, so you'll just have to mess with that and try to find the right key. So that's the auto tune on the main, 0 retune speed, a humanize of 39, and then for the ad-libs I use the exact same settings. But yeah, this detune is really important. You want to make sure you have this set to whatever it is. For most beats it's going to be 440, so just change this to 440 when you load up the preset. Otherwise your song will sound out of key even though it's in the right key. But yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. If it helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artists you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.